Hello everyone and welcome back to Piano Lessons with the Kindergarten program. My name is Dennis Wong and let's get started. So we have something new again here. The next song is called G and G Are Friends, and let's talk about that first. So we have two G's that we already know on the piano. We know the G that we've been practicing with the pinky here, so the right hand thumb goes on the C, and then the pinky is right here on the G. And the left hand also knows the G. Most of the previous songs that we practiced, they started on G with finger number 4 on G. C, B, A, G. Finger number 4 is on the lower G here, and the pinky is on the higher G. Let's play these two at the same time again. So this one and this one. Okay. Now let's see what that looks like on our paper. We see that here the right hand is playing, and then here we have the right hand playing still, but the left hand is playing too, and they're actually playing at the same time. That's why they're on top of each other, but one is for the right hand, the other one is for the left hand. They're not in the same clef here. These G's are in the treble clef and played by the right hand, and these G's here are in the bass clef played by the left hand. So the first thing we can do is we can connect all the G's, all the notes here that have to be played at the same time together. So we got 4 here, then we have 4 more here, and then down here you see the arrow, so it's the left hand playing, then the right hand, then the left hand, then the right hand again. These notes are not right above each other. What is above this G is the rest, and here too. So here it's left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. But I'm sure you guys will notice that because of the arrows here. Let's try to play this together. So both hands go on the middle C, both hands are relaxed and loose on the middle C. The right hand starts C, D, E, F, and then the pinky plays G together with the left hand finger number 4 on G. Let's play the first 2 measures together one more time. Continues from the middle C. We're here now, and it repeats from here. And the right hand has this tricky measure here with 5, 3, 4, 2. So we have 5 to 3, that's a skip, and then 4 to 2, that's also a skip. Line 2 to line 1, space 1 to the D note here. So I'll play it one more time from here. And now left hand plays finger number 4 and finger number 4 again. You got the G 2 times. All the left hand is playing in this song is finger number 4 on G. So one more time from, actually not one more time, from here now. So we have the low G, high G, low G, and then high G again. This is the same measure as here, so this measure repeats here, but you don't have to finger numbers here. You could add them if you wanted to, you don't have to. One more time from here. 5, 3, 4, 2, and it finishes on the C's. I'll play the whole song one more time. That is the first song, as I said, where both hands play at the same time, but it's the right hand and the left hand playing at the same time. I highly recommend to connect the notes that play at the same time for this printable at least. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me as always. I hope you guys will have fun practicing this song, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.